In this video, I'm going to answer the question on can I borrow money from my Opay account. So basically, if you log in your Opay account, you'll be able to see a features that says finance down below. So if you click on finance, you'll be able to see this page right here where you see savings. Then on the top, you can see loan. So just click on that and you will see how Opay is connected to Ease Money, where you can actually apply for a loan. And you can see with Ease Money, you can get a credit limit up to 1 million naira. Enjoy interest as low as 0.1% daily, and you can get a loan in 2 minutes. And this app is powered by Blue Ridge Microfinance Bank. So if you want to take a loan inside Opay, they are already connected with Ease Money, and Ease Money will be the one to give you a loan. They will do some background check on your account, and once they are okay with it, you're gonna get a loan from their platform. And if you click on apply for a loan right here, they're gonna ask you to read on their terms and conditions. You can see right here, Ease Money terms of service and privacy policy. You have to read through everything. They are very, very important. Before you started borrowing money from the platform and they there's something pop up and you feel like you don't really see this when you are trying to apply for a loan. So you have to read through everything so that what they don't tell you will not happen when you borrow money, because that is exactly the issue that most people are facing. They don't read the terms and conditions of the app before they proceed on to borrow money. And if the app tell them that they're gonna have access to their phone or something like that, and they'll be like, I didn't see this when I'm trying to apply for a loan. So you have to read through the terms of service and also the privacy policy. So with that, you'll be able to borrow money from Ease Money inside OP. So that's how it works. So they also connected with another app, which is I think was the app. There is another app as well that OP also connected to. So you might not see Ease Money, you might see that other app, but that means you can also borrow money from that one too. But then Opay itself is not giving out a loan to their users.